Are you tired of struggling with messy floors, stubborn stains, and tangled hair while cleaning? What if I told you there's a one-stop solution that vacuums, mops, and even self-cleans with hot water, leaving your floors sparkling clean without breaking a sweat? Introducing the Roborock F25 RT Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, your first and last vacuum mop combo. Let's dive into why this machine is an absolute game-changer for home cleaning. Say farewell to sticky spills, pet hair, and deep-seated dirt. With a whopping 20,000 pascals suction power and a 450 RPM spin mop, this cordless vacuum effortlessly tackles crumbs, grime, and tough stains in just one pass. No more bending down or scrubbing, this vacuum mop does the hard work for you. Hate those annoying streaks and tangled pet hair? This vacuum mop features dual scrapers for a flawless finish and a curved comb wiper to prevent pet hair from clogging. It's even SGS and TUV certified for anti-tangle performance, meaning no more frustrating hair messes, just effortless, smooth cleaning every time. Cleaning under furniture has never been easier. The 180 degrees flat reach lets you effortlessly glide under sofas, beds, and tight corners, ensuring no dust or grime is left behind. Combine this with triple edge cleaning, and you'll have pristine floors without missing a single inch. At just 8.8 pounds, the Roborock F25 is super lightweight, featuring 70 degrees swivel steering and assistant wheels for smooth, fatigue-free cleaning. No more dragging heavy vacuums, just grab, glide, and clean with ease. One of the biggest headaches of mopping: dirty water and smelly mops. But not with the Roborock F25. Its 194 degrees Fahrenheit hot water self-cleaning system melts away grease and debris, so you're always mopping with clean water. Plus, the built-in hot air drying prevents bacteria growth and keeps your machine fresh, ready for action anytime. Ditch your old bulky tools and upgrade to the Roborock F25 RT for a smarter, faster, and cleaner home.